Hey, Harmony Central here, and we're here with Mike Martin from Casio, and he has some really interesting new keyboards because they're like entry-level, low cost, but I didn't know that they were low cost by looking at them. So, you want to tell us a little bit about them?
Absolutely. You know, Casio has been in the portable keyboard business for 37 years, and getting back to our heritage and creating some new, fun, interactive keyboards to inspire a new generation of musicians. And so, there's two significant new features in these keyboards. The first of which is a dance music mode. So basically, there's a collection of loops. There's drums, bass lines, synth parts, and effects, and you can essentially remix all kinds of different things on the fly. This particular model here is one of the LK models, so you actually see which loops you have going because the keys will stay lit. And it's an absolute blast, and it's fun, and we'll hear a little bit more in a second. The other part of these new keyboards is integration with an app called Cordana Play. Casio keyboards always have an education element to them, and what Cordana Play allows you to do is, of course, there's built-in songs, that you can learn, but the great thing is you can grab any MIDI file off the web. It'll display the notation of the parts you want, either on a staff or on a piano roll. And when it's connected to our keyboard using a standard audio cable, not a USB MIDI cable, an audio cable, it will light up the keys on the keyboard. So it's pretty ingenious.
How do you do that?
You really want to know, we're using half of the audio stream for data.
Ah.
All right, so one side is audio coming from the device, and the other side is MIDI data coming over the audio cable. So the benefit is, for somebody that doesn't know anything about MIDI and all of this stuff, they can use the 1/8" stereo audio cable they already have. So that's the real benefit. And also, it is Android and Apple compatible. So regardless of platform, tablets, phones, or whatever, it's a great universal app that somebody can use to learn to play music.
Well, I think that's really clever, actually.
It's brilliant. So, and the keyboard absolutely sounds fantastic. So, like I said, you can have, some bass lines and get a loop going. And you got fills and breaks and
Mic music.
it's great. So just by combining different keys, you can remix different styles on the fly and create your own stuff.
Yeah, it's really like a music construction set, kind of, in keyboard form.
Absolutely, yeah, it's fantastic.
That's great. Well, hey, thanks a lot, Mike.
And these keyboards, they start at $99.
Yeah.
This is the most expensive one with the light-up keys.
So this is $149,
$149.
right?
And these will be available early spring.
Early of
Of 2017. So
okay,
yeah.
you always have to check the year. It's a NAMM show.
Of course, yeah. We're aiming for June. Hopefully earlier.
I'm very impressed.
So I guess that's early summer.
That's really great. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Thank
it,
you for
man.
coming over.
Hey, my pleasure. Thank you.